In this video, we will learn how to fix the Roblox memory dump error. First, check whether your Windows and Roblox are updated. If they are not updated, update them first. Then, right-click the Roblox launcher and select Open File Location. Right-click it again, click Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, check the required boxes, and click Apply. Next, press Windows plus R. Type %local app data %, and click OK. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. If this does not work, try uninstalling Roblox and then reinstalling it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.